Hello students, in this video we are going to solve a nice algebra problem. Here 5 over x times 5 over x, this is equals to x over 5. Here we need to calculate all possible values of x. Students, if you like my videos then please subscribe my channel. Now let's start solution of this question. Here 5 over x times 5 over x, and this is equals to x over 5. Here x is present in denominator, so x not equals to 0. Now 5 times 5 is 5 square, divided by x times x is x square, this is equals to x over 5. Here we will apply cross multiply, then x square is multiplied by x square is multiplied by x, this is equals to 5 square is multiplied by 5. Now first we will write this expression in next page. X square times x, this is equals to 5 square times 5. Here assume power is 1. Now we know that a power m times a power n, this is equals to a power m plus n. If we apply this rule in left hand side and right hand side, then in left hand side x power 2 plus 1, this is equals to 5 power 2 plus 1. X power 2 plus 1 is 3, this is equals to 5 power 2 plus 1 is 3. Now x power 3, this 5 power 3 if we take left hand side, then here minus 5 power 3, this is equals to 0. We will apply substitution. If we substitute x is equals to a, 5 is equals to b, then a cube minus b cube, this is equals to 0, and factor of a cube minus b cube is a minus b is multiplied by a square plus ab plus b square, and this is equals to 0. Now a minus b is multiplied by a square plus ab plus b square, this is equals to 0, and value of a is 5 and value of a is x and value of b is 5. A is replaced by x minus b is replaced by 5. Here a is replaced by x square plus a is replaced by x, b is replaced by 5 plus b is replaced by 5 square, and this is equals to 0. X minus 5 is multiplied by x square plus x times 5 is 5x plus 25, this is equals to 0. Now we will apply this rule. If a into b, this is equals to 0, this implies a is equals to 0 or b is equals to 0. Suppose this expression is a and this expression is b, and if we apply this rule then you can say x minus 5, this is equals to 0, or x square plus 5x plus 25, this is equals to 0. Here value of x is equals to 5. This is the first solution. Let's say this solution is x1 is equals to 5. And here we have quadratic equation x square plus 5x plus 25. X square plus 5x plus 25, and this is equals to 0. This quadratic equation is not factorizable. Here we will apply quadratic formula. Value of a is equals to 1, value of b is equals to 5 and value of c is equals to 25. And quadratic formula x is equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2 times a. Then x is equals to minus value of b is 5 plus minus square root of b. Value of b is 5 square minus 4 times a is 1 and c is 25 and divide by 2 times a and value of a is 1. X is equals to minus 5 plus minus square root of 5 square is 25 minus 4 times 25 is 100 divided by 2 times 1 is 2. Then x is equals to minus 5 plus minus square root of 25 minus 100 is minus 75 divided by 2. Then x is equals to minus 5 plus minus square root of minus 75 is square root of 75 times minus 1 divided by 2. Then x is equals to minus 5 plus minus square root of 75 times minus 1 divided by 2. X is equals to minus 5 plus minus, here we will apply this rule, square root of a times b, this is equals to square root of a times square root of b. If we apply this rule, then this expression is square root of 75 times square root of minus 1 divided by 2. And we know that square root of 75 is same as square root of 25 times 3, and this expression is same as square root of 25 times square root of 3, and here square root of 25 is 5 times square root of 3. Now x is equals to minus 5 plus minus square root of 75 is 5 times square root of 3, and square root of minus 1 is iota divided by 2. So our second solution x2, this is equals to minus 5 plus 5 times square root of 3 times iota divided by 2. And third solution x3, this is equals to minus 5 minus 5 times square root of 3 iota divided by 2. In this question we have three solutions. First solution x1, this is equals to 5 and 2 imaginary solutions. This is our final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.